Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to connect the Kraken 240 using an easy method. First, unbox your Kraken 240 and identify all the components. You'll need the radiator, fans, pump, and mounting hardware. Next, prepare your motherboard by installing the CPU and any necessary backplates. Make sure you have the correct mounting bracket for your specific CPU socket type. This ensures a smooth and secure installation process. Now, let's get those fans attached to the radiator. Use the included screws to firmly secure each fan to the radiator. Pay attention to the fan orientation for proper airflow, typically pushing air through the radiator. Once the fans are mounted, secure the entire radiator assembly inside your PC case. Choose a location that allows for good airflow and easy cable routing to keep your build looking clean. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the radiator in place, it's time to install the pump block onto your CPU. Apply thermal paste if not pre-applied, then carefully seat the pump and secure it with the mounting hardware, applying even pressure. Next, connect the pump's power cable to your motherboard's dedicated AIO pump header. Finally, route all the fan and RGB cables neatly to their respective headers on the motherboard or a fan controller for a clean and functional setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.